For today's video, we're gonna show you how to make amazing spatchcock chicken on your Traeger grill. So let's fire up the grill, grab our shears, let's get cooking. We went ahead and added our Ace Reserve blend pellets, and we'll set this for 375 degrees today. That is going to be our cooking temperature. We'll hit ignite, and we are set and ready to go. For our ingredients today, we have a 5.5 pound roaster or whole chicken. We've got a little bit of oil to act as our binder. We're gonna season it off with 2 rubs today, a little bit of our rub-a-dub and some of that reserve cherry rub. Then, hey, if you wanna add a little more fun and flavor, check out that sweet apple barbecue sauce as well. But this is it, pretty simple. One of the last tools we need, a great pair of shears. And if you don't have shears, you can always use your trusty Messermeister as well. But super simple, super easy. Let's get in here and show you how we take the back out, spatchcock our chicken, get ready to head out on the Traeger. The basics behind the spatchcock method are basically removing the back, splitting the sternum, and laying that chicken flat. And what helps your cooking is now you have something that's not round. It is flat and long, which speeds up cooking, but also drives a lot of flavor. So first things first, we're gonna take our shears and cut along the back on one side, like so. Get those shears in there. And now that we've cut the first side, we go ahead and cut the other side as well. And you're just getting in there, cutting along that backbone, making sure you get everything set. Hold it tight so nothing slips around, but basically you're gonna remove the backbone. Now what I will do is we'll go inside here, clean out anything else that doesn't need to be in there. We'll get it ready and we'll get up close and show you how to split that sternum, lay this flat. Now that we have the backbone removed, basically what we're going to do is put our knife in there, give that sternum just a quick little tap with our knife, and now we are able to push it out and lay it flat. Then what we're gonna do, we will carefully turn it over and look at that. Our chicken is now flat and ready to be seasoned. All right, we are going to go ahead now and give this a quick rub down with our canola olive oil that we're using. Just acts as a good binder, does a great job. And then, like we always say, season as light or as heavy as you want. But I'm gonna go through here, add a little bit of that Traeger Reserve cherry rub in here, and then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of rub-a-dub. Now, we're gonna do this on the top side, but I'm also gonna get under the bottom side and do a little bit on the cavity as well, just to make sure we've got some 360-degree flavors going on. We carefully flip it over. We'll go ahead and lightly oil the inside. Now be careful, there are some sharp little bone shards in here, so just be careful not to poke yourself with any of those. And then we'll do the same thing again. A little bit of that Traeger cherry rub in here to get some flavor going, and we'll finish it with a little bit of rub-a-dub. And then, like I said, give it a little pat just to make sure everything is stuck, ready to go and set. All right, we'll go ahead and load our spatchcock chicken on just like that. Now, whether you have the Meter X, or the regular Traeger wired probe, go ahead and put that into the thickest part of the chicken breast. And now we'll go ahead and set our alert, and then we're gonna close it. And we're gonna let the Traeger do its magic and the Traeger app tell us when we are done, ready, and time to devour. Here we are right at 45 minutes in, and we're at 110 degrees, and it looks beautiful. So I'm just doing a quick little check to make sure we're not getting too brown, and in case I have to cover anything with foil, but I'll tell you what, we look fantastic. So we'll go ahead and shut it. Well, there we are. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, the Traeger app alerted me, and we are set at 165 degrees. So time to get this off the grill, get it in the kitchen, give it a rest before we slice into it, do a little doneness check. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the wing off, and then we are going to slice into that for some beautiful, tasty, and delicious chicken. Now, this is a great time if you want to add some barbecue sauce at the very end. I always like to add it after the fact so I don't have that sugar burning, but I'll tell you what, I'm not mad at that at all. Now, if you're looking for an amazing side dish that goes great with your spatchcock chicken, be sure to check out grilled corn on the cob. That video coming up next.